How to free up space fast on your Android. So if you want to free up space fast on your Android, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with apps. Under apps, you need to go with manage apps, and from manage apps, you need to scroll down and then go with an application which is using a lot of storage. So just wait for a few seconds and then just scroll down. And as you can see that there are some applications that are taking a lot of storage. So you just need something to go with clear all data, which will be in the bottom right, and then tap on OK. Go and clear the data of the applications that you're not using. Or like for example, I have this application right here. I'll just simply go with clear data, which will be in the bottom, and tap on clear cache. After clearing your cache, you'll have some space left. You can do this for the applications that you're not using, or you can also clear the cache of each and every application that you're using as well. So this is one way. Next thing you need to do is open up your settings again, scroll down, go with about phone, tap on storage, and here you need to scroll down, tap on free up storage. Now from here you can either delete photos, videos, or you can uninstall apps, or you can also delete the installation packages, clear the app data, or delete book files, and you will have some free up space. Or the next thing you need to do is just simply go back and open up your Play Store or your App Store. You're using your Android, so open up your Play Store, go with search, and here you can search for CCleaner, and you will have the application. You can just simply go and install it, and you will be able to free up space. It will give you a quick clean. So these were the few solutions on how you can free up your space fast. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.